How's it going out there? It's Jaguar. I'm out here at the Petrified Forest National Park in Arizona. As you can see behind me, great view. This is just one of the stops in the park. All right, it's another stop here at the Petrified Forest in Arizona. You can see it's pretty awesome. You got some trails that go to, they got some trails here that go around this mountain rim. Pretty interesting. Now the sun came out, so I guess I'm gonna have some good light. Here, let me let you see. Apparently dinosaurs used to roam this area. As you look that way, there's a trail that goes around that little rim there. Probably see some people over there. It's a great view. Another view of the Petrified Valley. This stop they call Legacy Point. Awesome view, a little windy. But I think what's really unique about this area is this little mound here. It's like snow on a mountain. It's an old car. Show you what happens when you run out of gas out here. Talk about stripping it down to the bare metal, letting it rust out. Call this Highway of Dreams, the old Route 66. It's a bumper. Here they have the bumper of the car and the actual car. Just want you guys to keep this in mind. This is a long drive. The park, I think, is about 20 something miles, 27 miles total in the park. Today we go to Gate Bridge. There it is. Good, how you doing? All right. Thank you. And there you have it, the Gate Bridge, right there. This Petrified Forest is very interesting. A lot of things to look at. Huge national park. It's Arizona. It has a lot of wonders out here. This here was an Amazon to the dinosaurs. Very interesting. All right, on to the next. And what we got here is the petrified wood. Sure you can see on the GoPro, but you look down there, the wood that's into stone. As you can see, very interesting. Walk down here. Amazing, more wood down there. Not sure if you can see it, but it's so aged it turned to stone. All of those broken logs. Sure here, see more clearly right there. More logs, very interesting. Right there that I'm looking at, petrified wood. Wood turned to stone. See. Very interesting. Great place to visit, let me tell you. Arizona has amazing views. Look at all that. All that, my friends, are wood, broken wood. It's been turned to stone. Petrified. Got a good log right there. Can't zoom in, that's far as I can zoom in. Yeah. It's amazing. There's more logs there. Where else? Let's see. Oh, there you go. Nice one right there. Yeah. Here at the Petrified Forest in Arizona. The Petrified Forest, this is how it looked when it was a forest. It was an Amazon for the dinosaurs. Amazing. Look at all of this.
They look like the rocks.
Huh? Yeah. This is amazing color. This is all wood. I'm telling you, this COVID gave me brain fog, like made me retarded. Coke. Okay, trees turned into stone. There, that's proper. Let's see. Wow. Rock hard.
They're still coming out.
Dang, look at how far the trail goes all the way. That's crazy, it burned so hot it turned to stone. Check out these logs. Wow. That's millions and millions and billions of years worth of work right there. A little help with this petrified forest is very interesting. A lot of things to look at. Huge national park. It's Arizona, it has a lot of wonders out here.